The history of the Indian National Congress, Inc., is deeply intertwined with the struggle for India's independence from British rule and the subsequent development of Indian democracy. Formation. The Indian National Congress was founded in 1885 by a retired British civil servant, Alan Octavian Hume, along with prominent Indian leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji, Dinshaw Vacha, and Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Initially, its goal was to serve as a platform for Indian intellectuals and professionals to express their political aspirations within the framework of the British colonial system. Moderate phase, 1885-1905. During its early years, the Inc. advocated for moderate demands such as greater representation for Indians in the civil services, legislative councils, and administrative reforms. Leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Surendranath Banerjee spearheaded this phase, focusing on constitutional methods and dialogue with the British authorities. Extremist phase, 1905-1919. The rise of more radical voices within the Congress, such as Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, and Lala Lajpat Rai, marked this phase. They advocated for more aggressive tactics, including mass mobilization, boycotts, and passive resistance against British policies like the Partition of Bengal, 1905, and the Repressive Rowlatt Act, 1919. Gandhi era, 1919-1947. Mahatma Gandhi's emergence transformed the Inc. into a mass movement. His philosophy of non-violent resistance, satyagraha, and emphasis on Swaraj, self-rule, energized millions of Indians to join the struggle for independence. The Salt March, 1930, Civil Disobedience Movement, 1930-1934, and Quit India Movement, 1942, were significant milestones during this period. Post-independence, 1947-present. After India gained independence in 1947, the Inc. played a central role in shaping the new nation. Jawaharlal Nehru, a prominent leader of the freedom movement, became the first Prime Minister of independent India. The party dominated Indian politics for decades, with leaders like Indira Gandhi, Nehru's daughter, and Rajiv Gandhi, her son, serving as Prime Ministers. However, the Inc. has faced challenges from other political parties and undergone periods of internal restructuring and ideological evolution. Contemporary period. In recent years, the Inc. has faced electoral setbacks, particularly in the 2014 and 2019 general elections, where the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, led by Narendra Modi secured significant victories. The party has been striving to rejuvenate itself, addressing issues of leadership, organizational structure, and ideological coherence to regain its political relevance. Throughout its history, the Indian National Congress has been a key player in shaping the trajectory of Indian democracy, contributing to the nation's struggle for independence and subsequent socio-political development.